Okay, in the last video we said we computed that the arc length of the curve y equals f of x from x equals a to x equals b was the integral from a to b, the square root of 1 plus the derivative f prime of x squared dx. Let's check. Let's do an easy example. Let's take a curve like, I don't know, y is 1/2 x minus 1, and let's go from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's find the length of this curve from 2 to 6. Now, why is this an easy example? It's an easy example because we can figure this out otherwise. This is the hypotenuse of a right triangle. If I plug 6 into this formula, half of 6 is 3 minus 1. That's a height of 2 from there to there, and this is a width of 4 from 2 to 6. So the Pythagorean theorem says that this should be the square root of 4 squared plus 2 squared, which is the square root of 16 plus 4, which is the square root of 20, which is the square root of 4 times 5, which is 2 square root of 5. So if the arc length formula gives us the same answer, we feel a little bit more confident in our formula. So here the derivative f prime of x is the derivative of the equation, and the derivative of that is 1/2. So we are integrating from 2 to 6 of the square root of 1 plus 1/2 squared dx. Now 1/2 is 1/4, so this is the integral from 2 to 6 of the square root of 1 plus a fourth dx, and 1 plus a fourth is 5/4. I'm doing this slowly because just a little while ago I totally messed this one up. And that is in fact a constant. You can put that out front. Square root, in fact, square root of 5/4 is square root of 5 over square root of 4. I'll do this in slow motion. 2 to 6 of just 1 dx, whose derivative is 1. That is just x. We have root 5 over 2 times x. Evaluated from 2 to 6 is root 5 over 2. 6 minus 2, that's 4, so it's 4 root 5 over 2, which simplifies to 2 root 5. Ka-ching! This person is oh so happy because we got the same answer whether we use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length or the arc length formula to find the length. If our arc length formula is wrong, this wouldn't happen. This doesn't mean that it does work, but it is a verification. Let's try some hard problems in just a bit.